Hi there. If you are searching for a smart way to open your curtains in the morning and draw them at night, you may be interested in the SwitchBot Curtain Automatic Curtain Opener, a small device that easily fits your curtain rail and opens your curtains automatically when triggered. The small smart curtain motor can be retrofitted to most curtains and is now available on Kickstarter. Even the most eco-friendly air conditioning consumes energy to cool your room. We can reduce energy consumption by minimizing temperature fluctuations in your room. Close the curtains to block out sunlight to keep your room cool. The SwitchBot Curtain has a built-in sensor to detect sunlight. This can help save energy by reducing the workload on your air conditioning and heating. It can be set to automatically close during the daytime in summer to block out the sunlight and keep your room cool. You can also have it automatically open during the day in winter to warm your room with sunlight. Leverage technology to take care of the daily routines through automation and voice control. With SwitchBot Hub Mini, you can create scenes for your rooms. For example, a lights off scene turns off the light and draws the curtains, brighten the room naturally with sunlight. Also, Hub Mini enables voice control with smart speakers such as Amazon Alexa, Google Home, and Apple HomePod. So you can just say it, Alexa, okay, Google, hey Siri, give me sunlight. Thank you for watching it.